Good morning and welcome. Today we're looking at a Brooks Acorn Slimline 130 and it's got the typical F1 relay fault. This is a common fault with these, but it can be remedied. If you're waiting for an engineer, and the stairlift is a vital part, you can try several things. You can try switching it off. And also switching it off on the power supply. Seeing if it'll reset. Although normally when these relays go, they go. As a last attempt, it's been suggested on YouTube that you slam the foot plate to try and reset it. We don't really suggest it, but again, if you're waiting for an engineer to come out, all else fails, it can be an option. However, we carry replacement boards for 120 and 130, and we can also replace the relays in situ. So we're about to remove the circuit board. And there it is. So we have the old faulty relay removed, and we're about to put the replacement one in. So here we have the replacement board fitted. Stairlift running. Back on charge. C4. No more F1 fault. Get the covers on. Give it a quick going over and hand it back to the customer. So there we have your Brooks Acorn F1 relay fault repair done on site. No downtime. All ready for bedtime. For all your Brooks Acorn Slimline 120 or 130 needs, give us a call 01446 710 722. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.